The description of some colorful butterflies are given below. Go through them and match with the correct name by writing the correct letter in the boxes. Description of some extinct species of animals along with their pictures are given below. Write their correct names using the help box. The description of some animal diseases are mentioned below. Read them carefully and write their names using the help box. Let's take a quiz about insects and spiders by answering the questions given below. Look at the types of shells given below. Write their correct names using the help box. Take the quiz below by reading the description and write answers in the space provided. Take the correct option. Description of some unique plants are given below. Write their names using the help box. Incomplete facts about coconut are given below. Fill in the blanks to complete these facts using the help box. Rearrange the letters and write the names of these desert flora. Using the help box, take the quiz below on language and upgrade your knowledge on this most essential part of communication. Match these famous Indian authors to their famous books. Look at the pictures given below and write what British and Americans call them in the space provided using the help box. Description of some famous fictional detectives is given below. Write their correct names in the blanks using the help box. Read the description given below and name these characters from the Harry Potter novels using the help box. Knowledge Bank. First, what purpose does the red flap under a turkey's chin serve? Answer: every turkey has a wattle underneath its beak. A turkey's wattle is simply a kind of bare fold of skin, and it can change from red to grey and even to white or blue if the turkey is angry, upset, threatened, or otherwise distressed. Second, why is apple used as a symbol for teachers? Answer: apples have always been considered as a popular way to show appreciation to a teacher. The apples began to be used as a symbol for teachers during the time of European expansion in America. Teachers in the frontier schools of America frequently received apples from their students as a mark of appreciation. Third, what are lithopes? Answer: lithopes are mimicry plants. Their shape, size, and color resemble small stones. Usually found in southern Africa, they are also called flowering stones or living stones. They camouflage themselves among the stones as a means of protection from grazing animals. Fourth, how do tadpoles breathe? Answer. Tadpoles are aquatic creatures and can breathe and survive only in water. Tadpoles breathe through the gills by moving their throat through regular rhythmic movements known as pulsing. Adult frogs breathe through the lungs, which is again controlled through throat movements. How do fruits ripen and become sweet? Answer. A chemical compound called ethynyl C2H4 causes fruits to ripen. After ripening, fruits become softer and less acidic. Chlorophyll is broken down and new pigments are made. The skin of fruit changes its color from green to red, orange or yellow depending on the nature or type of fruit. Sixth, why do ducks usually stand on one leg? Answer. It is the way to conserve their body heat. Ducks and some other birds stand on one leg, called unipedal resting, to help regulate and maintain body temperature.
Which are the only 4 words in English language that end in "-us"? Answer. These words are tremendous, horrendous, stupendous, and hazardous. However, there is also a specialist zoological term, apodous, which means without feel. 8. Why did Samuel Johnson not include any word that begins with letter X in his dictionary? Answer. Samuel Johnson included no words beginning with X, considering no words begin with X in English language. In case you are wondering about xylophone, it has only been in print since 1866 and X-rays was added 30 years after the use of the former word. 9. What is the purpose of political cartoons? Answer. Political cartoons can be seen in daily newspapers or magazines on the editorial pages. Their main purpose is to give an opinion or raise a point about a political event or view in a humorous way. They are intended to persuade and influence opinion of people. 10. What causes a chicken's eggshells to become soft and brittle? Answer. Calcium carbonate crystals make up 95 to 97% of an eggshell. It implies that sufficient amount of calcium is important for the development of a healthy eggshells. Lack of calcium in diet and aggression from other hens are the main causes of soft-shelled eggs in hens.
Description of the 7 states of Northeast India are given below. Go through them and complete their names. Write the names of rivers and beneficiary states associated with the following multipurpose projects using the help box. Given below are the symbols of some famous political parties. Write their correct names in the space provided. The description of some landmarks or monuments are given below. Read them and name the places in India where they are located using the help box. Using the help box, identify and write the names of these famous Indian entrepreneurs. The description of some popular fairs celebrated in India are given below. Read carefully and write their names in the space provided using the help box. Write the names of these notable environmentalists by reading their description and using the help box. Take the correct answer in the quiz about the famous historical battles and wars of India. Information about some world-famous leaders is given below. Go through them and write their names in the space provided using the help box. Look at the pictures of famous official residences given below and name them using the help box. Look at the pictures of some world-famous theme parks. Write their names using the help box. Read the description of some lost ancient cities given below. With the help of given pictures and help box, write their names. Read the information and identify these world-famous squires by writing their names in the space provided using the help box. Pictures and information about some of the most unique natural formations are given below. Write their names in the space provided using the help box. Read them and name them by writing the correct letter in the boxes using the help box. Take a peek into the world of science by answering this fun quiz using the help box. With the help of hints and pictures, write the names of these computer geniuses using the help box. Complete the names of these apparatus whose pictures are given below. Take the correct answer in the quiz given below. Match these terms with their correct uses. Read the hints, identify the members of the universe, and then write their names using the help box. Science plays a vital role in our life. How much do you know about chemistry? Take this quick quiz to test your knowledge about it. Using the help box, name the following great inventors who took the risk and died in the process. Knowledge Bank. First, what are the Zhangyi Danxia landforms famous for? Answer. The Danxia landforms of Zhangyi in China are famous for their colorful mountains, hills, cliffs, and valleys. These landforms are composed of sandstone and conglomerates that give them amazing colors. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and popularly known as the eye candy of Zhangyi. Second, why do we get an image in a mirror but not on a wall? Answer. A mirror reflects light in a regular pattern because of its smooth and shiny surface, whereas a wall reflects rays irregularly because of its ruggedness. Third, why does the needle of a compass always point towards north? Answer. The earth itself is a huge magnet that interacts with other magnets. Due to the influence of strong magnetic fields of the earth, the magnetic needle of the compass always points towards north. Fourth, where is the lowest point found in Asia? The lowest point in Asia is the Dead Sea shore, which straddles Israel and Jordan. It is 1,369 feet below the sea level. The Dead Sea is actually a saltwater lake formed by the extremely high levels of salt in the water. It is not possible for any creature to live in this water. Fifth, why is a wet cloth placed on the forehead of a patient having high fever? Answer. When wet cloth is placed on the forehead of a patient with high fever, then, due to the high body temperature, water in the cloth starts evaporating. As a result, cooling occurs, which brings down the temperature of the body. Sixth, why are ventilators in a room always placed near the roof? The hot air, being lighter in weight, tends to rise above and escapes from the ventilators at the top. This allows the cool air to enter the room to take its place. In this way, the cool air that keeps on replacing the hot air makes the room cool. Seventh, how does a fuse protect electrical equipment? Answer. The fuse breaks the circuit if any fault causes too much current to flow. A thin wire inside the fuse allows a certain amount of current to flow through it. If the current exceeds the limit, the fuse wire breaks and stops the further flow of current, thus protecting against any possible damage. Eighth, how do fingernails grow? Answer. If we notice closely at the base of the nail, there is a semicircular root called lunula. It is white in color and consists of a group of cells that manufacture keratin. Keratin gathers and protrudes in the form of nails. Ninth, why do we find it difficult to breathe at higher altitudes? Answer. Because of low air pressure at higher altitudes, the density of air is less, and if the air density is less, so is the oxygen. Therefore, in the deficiency of oxygen, we find it difficult to breathe at higher altitudes. 10th, why does popcorn pop? The kernel of a popcorn has a tiny droplet of water at the center, surrounded by a hard shell called a hull. As the popcorn is heated, the water turns into steam that builds pressure inside the kernel. When the hull can no longer contain the pressure, pop, the kernel explodes and a fluffy piece of popcorn rises up. A quiz related to some of the famous biopics is given below. Write correct answers in the space provided. A quiz related to some of. Look at the pictures given below and name these different forms of martial arts using the help box. Given below are the pictures of some famous F1 drivers. Complete their names. These musicians have engraved their names in the history of music. Using the help box, name the musical instruments which these legends played. Read the description given below and name these popular fashion brands using the help box. Read the description given below and name these action sports using the help box. The description of some legendary actors are given below. Read about them and write their names using the help box. Help Ira answer the names of these board games. Look at the pictures and using the help box, write the names of these popular singers or brands. Pictures of some top Indian fashion designers are given below. Recognize them and write their names using the help box. Names of the 12 steps of Surya Namaskar are given below. Write their names. Fill in the blanks to complete the definition of each value using the help box. Given below are some situations in which children behave in certain ways. Take those which you think are the right ones and cross out the wrong ones. Take the correct answer to know how aware you are as a consumer. Take the correct answer and see how fast you are at correlating things. Pick the correct answer from the answer set to find what comes next. Solve the riddles given below. Read the following statements and write their answer in the blank space. What is unique about these answers is that all of them start with the word cat. Some words can be expressed through a single letter, just as C or C can be expressed as C. Given below are hints about some such words. Write the word and the associated letter that can be used in place of the word. Fill in the blanks with the correct economic terms using the help box. Recognize these logos and write their correct names in the space provided. Knowledge Bank. First, why is soap's lather or foam always white in color? Answer: lather or foam is nothing but a dense collection of small soap bubbles. Although a soap film is more or less transparent, the lather or foam looks white because the light striking this large collection of bubbles gets scattered. Second, what are parachutes used for? Answer: parachutes are mainly used in two ways: as a safety gear in fighter planes and in skydiving or other similar sports. Parachutes slow down the descent of a person, thus reducing the chances of injuries to the minimum. Third, why are the Olympic Games held every 4 years? Answer: the Olympic Games are held every 4 years in tune with their ancient origin. The original Olympics were held at Olympia every 4 years. During this period, the passing of time was marked by Olympiads, which refers to the 4-year gap between the games. Fourth, why do some people have eye twitching? Answer: eye twitching results from stimulation of the nerves and muscles around the eye area. There are 3 main factors that contribute to the involuntary eye twitching: excess caffeine consumption, stress, and fatigue. It is also known as myokemia. Fifth, how many red cards are there in a deck of playing cards? Answer: there are 26 red cards in the standard 52 card deck. The 4 common suites are the spades, diamonds, hearts, and clubs. The red cards are diamonds and hearts, and the black cards are clubs and spades. Sixth, why don't you fall off a roller coaster when it goes upside down? Answer: a roller coaster works on a special type of force called centripetal force. This is the force that acts on a body moving in circular motion and is always directed towards the center of the circular motion of that body. In other words, it is a force that makes an object follow a circular path without going off the track. That is the scientific explanation for why we don't fall off. Seventh, how does 3D vision work? Answer: the human eyes are about 8 cm apart. Because of this distance, the viewer observes 2 slightly different images, one with each eye. The viewer's brain then combines these 2 images, which gives a perception of depth. This is called the binocular vision or 3D vision. Eighth, how does soap work to clean oil and grease? Answer: soap is an excellent cleanser because of its ability to act as an emulsifying agent. An emulsifier is capable of dispersing one liquid into another immiscible liquid. While oil doesn't naturally mix with water, soap can suspend oil or dirt in such a way that it is easily removed. Ninth, why does glass break down when heated? Answer: glass is a bad conductor of heat. When heated, only the exposed layer of glass expands, whereas the other layer of the glass remains unaffected. Therefore, a glass breaks down due to unequal thermal expansion. 10th, why is gum so soft and chewy? Answer: gum is so soft and chewy because it is made up of rubber. Earlier, gums got their elastic texture from chicle, which is a natural type of latex rubber. Today, gum is made from synthetic rubbers like styrene, butadiene, also used in car tires or other artificial or natural material.